Hello everyone, welcome to my Profitgram review, and in this Profitgram review I will discuss all about this Profitgram software, how it works, its full demo overview, and how you can make money using this Profitgram software for your clients, or as a marketer you can also make money using this Profitgram software. And I will also discuss about all about my exclusive bonuses worth over $33,000. So let's start Profitgram review. So Profitgram is going to launch on 18th October at 11 a.m. EST by Mike Mackey on Warrior Plus Network. So this is actually a Instagram software. You can send unlimited messages straight to the phones of 2 billion plus people, and it's a brand new email killer. Instagram autoresponder lets you blast any link to millions of people in seconds. It's actually, it can let you to direct message to unlimited people in just one click. Using this software you can promote your offer, service, anything. You can send a the direct message to the unlimited people of Instagram. And we all know that now people, most of the people use smartphone. And see some stat of Instagram, this has 1 billion plus people use Instagram use every month, and 88% of users are outside of the US. This is actually global, and 51% are female and 49% are male, and they spend 30 minutes per day on Instagram average. And this is very important. See, 81% of people use Instagram to research products and services. This is very important. 81% of people, of 2 billion people, Instagram has 2 billion users, and of them 81% of people use Instagram to research products and service. So it's a great place to promote your products and services. It's very simple. It's a stat, genuine stat. And 130 million users tap on shopping posts every month. See, 130 million people every month are tapping for shopping posts, and 500 million people, half billion people use stories every day, and 50% of people have visited a website to make a purchase after seeing a product or service on Instagram. See, this is also important. 50% of people have visited a website to make a purchase after seeing a product or service. So this is the some stat of Instagram. So let's go to the demo. Before demo I want to show you. See, I have searched for Instagram social media manager. You can do this service using this Profitgram software very easily. You can make money in two ways, either for your clients or as a marketer you can also promote your own services and products. First I like to show you how you can make money for your clients. Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, every place you can offer your service. This is a Instagram social media manager. See, I will be your Instagram social media manager. He is charging $30, $5. I will be your Instagram social media manager, $120. This is only for standard price. They have also premium. This is basic price. See, there are lots of gigs on Fiverr, and you can also offer your service on Upwork or People Per Work or freelancer.com, anywhere. This is not about only Fiverr. You can do this Upwork, freelancer.com, People Per Hour. So this is the members area. You can see the dashboard. First you need to see the training module. You can see, first you need to go to account manager and add your Instagram account. Just click add Instagram profile. You will link your Instagram profile, and you can add multiple accounts on here. And if you do the service for your client, you can add their account on here, and you can add multiple account, so don't worry. Then in the publish all tab you can post photo. See, you can post video, you can post link, you can post text, everything, and you can do this live post, or you can schedule your post. You can schedule for 30 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 30 day, 365 day. You can automate the whole thing, okay? And by this way you can easily manage a social media account for your client, okay? This has full automation power. I am showing you. See, then you have the option of post, activity, and direct message. In here you can literally send message to unlimited people on Instagram, and you know Instagram direct message rate 95%, over 95% open rate, where the mail open rate is just 10%, 5%, or 15%. So this is a huge opportunity, okay? You can do some. See the sales page. This is very simple. These are the results. These are the some testimonials. You have already seen it. I am not talking about this. See, then you can search for the keyword to send people, and just adding your account, you can send a direct message to unlimited people in just one click. This software will let you to do so. And this is the automation tab. This is very fantastic, and you can do this for your client managing. See, this is very in demand gigs. See, lots of gigs, and they are charging $30 to $100 for doing so. And you can do this also Upwork and People Per Work or freelancer.com. You can offer your service anywhere, and you can promote your offer from Warrior Plus, ClickBank, Market Health, weight loss product, any niche. You can send a DM in just one click to unlimited people. You can do so by direct messaging, and in just one click you can send to 2 billion peoples. And suppose you have cold email. Let's go to YouTube. If you don't know the power of cold email, you are missing. See, cold emailing, cold email marketing. See the demand. These are the advertisement, okay? See, cold email marketing. And in this way you don't need any bulk emailing services or sender. You can send to 2 billion people a cold email, and you will obviously get response. And imagine the 90% open rate, because people love to open the direct message on Instagram, okay? Rather than email, the Instagram DM open rate is much higher. So you can send a direct message, that is, I am like to say cold message, okay, to 2 billion people. This is cold message you can send. See the possibility. You can promote webinar, you can promote weight loss, you can promote sports related product, you can promote products from Warrior Plus. You can promote anything to 2 billion people in just one click by this direct message, okay? Now this is the schedule option. You can set it from anytime, any day, and you can manage your client's account, and you can add multiple accounts on this account. Multiple Instagram are allowed, and you can offer services on Fiverr and make money for managing Instagram account. And this software will let you to do very easily. And it has also, see, this is the scheduled post. You can post live, or you can schedule your post 1 day, 1 hour, 2 hour, 5 hour, 1 day, 7 day, 30 day, anything. This is the schedule. And here this is the file manager. You can upload any image, just upload here. So this is about ProfitGram demonstration. This is fantastic. Especially I like the features of this direct message, because you can send a cold message to 2 billion people in just one click, and you can do this multiple times, not just one time. You can send multiple messages to unlimited messages to unlimited people. Okay, this is a very cool feature, and you can also do this on Fiverr, Upwork, freelance.com, any places as a Instagram social media manager, cause using this ProfitGram software you can do easily this. You can manage anyone's account very easily. Okay, and these are my exclusive bonus bundle. I have put the link in my description. When you purchase through my link, you will get these bonuses automatically. The first one is YouTube Velocity. This is a software to set and forget free traffic, bad traffic from Google and YouTube. This is MIP software. This is also a traffic getting software. This is Shina, also a software to bring free bad traffic in your niche, any niche you want. This is Genovia. The Cleopatra, this is very fantastic. I always say this is absolutely awesome. I use it for myself for LinkedIn marketing, and this is a software for bringing free bad traffic and leads from LinkedIn, and it automates every profit strategy on LinkedIn. This is a software. And this is a Golden Stash, Tweetex, another software for bringing free traffic from Twitter. Then forget about Broke Nova. This is the software for bringing traffic, targeted traffic from TikTok. You will get also the upgrades along with this. The Lazy Traffic Sniper. You will get free bad traffic. All of the methods and software for bringing free bad traffic. Okay, and all of them are just awesome. This is a training course for list building. The Ariel session. This is also a free traffic getting system. Midastas, step-by-step training for affiliate marketing. You can easily able to generate $100 to $200 per day using this secret method. This is fantastic, really. This is the traffic underdog. This is 6-figure secrets blueprint, traffic booster, affiliate take up. This is fantastic method. Anyone can do this without any experience, anything, any tools you can. And this is very fast money grabber. The super shakedown, this is also awesome course. Profit Scope, this is Profit Force. This is also a cool course. The Octagon, a software, Elevate, Accelerate, Goldmine Seeker, and lots of bonuses worth over $33,000. I can show you all. So I have put the link in my description. When you will purchase through my special link, you will get all the bonuses automatically on your access page as affiliate bonus. So this is all about ProfitGram review. And when you try to purchase ProfitGram on the sales page, just go to the cross cursor and you will get this page. You have qualified for a special discount, you will get some discount. So don't forget to take this discount option, and don't forget to take my exclusive bonuses. So this is for today. I hope this ProfitGram review will help you to make your purchase decision. So this is for today. See you soon.